The Philippine Constitution. 1. What authority is supposed to be supreme over the military? A. Judicial. B. Civilian. C. Presidential. D. Democratic. Answer, B. Civilian. 2. The last part of Section 4A states that public officials and employees should practice which of the following? A. Simple living. B. Simple taste. C. Simile wealth. D. Simple thinking. Answer, A. Simple living. 3. In Article 2, Section 21, the state shall promote comprehensive rural development and what related field? A. Countryside improvement. B. Agrarian reform. C. Urban planning. D. Agricultural economy. Answer, B. Agrarian reform. 4. The state values the dignity of every blank and guarantees full respect for human rights. A. Living thing. B. Natural-born citizen. C. Human person. D. Religion or belief. Answer, C. Human person. 5. Which of the following is not a power or function of the Commission on Human Rights? A. Monitor the Philippine government's compliance with international treaty obligations on human rights. B. Initiate proceedings to inculpate foreigners who trample upon the rights of other aliens in Philippine territory. C. Appoint its officers and employees in accordance with law. D. Establish a continuing program of research, education, and information to enhance respect for the primacy of human rights. Answer, B. Initiate proceedings to inculpate foreigners who trample upon the rights of other aliens in Philippine territory. 6. Which of the following is not mentioned in the Declaration of Policy of Public Officials in RA 6713? A. They shall be accountable to the people. B. They shall uphold the Constitution of the Republic of the Philippines. C. They shall lead modest lives. D. They shall discharge their duties with utmost responsibilities. Answer, B. They shall uphold the Constitution of the Republic of the Philippines. 7. Public officials and employees shall not solicit or accept gifts, except when it is A. Scholarship to a degree program. B. Of nominal value. C. In foreign legal tender. D. Medical treatment. Answer, B. Of nominal value. 8. What is the maximum amount of time that a public official or employee must respond to letters sent by the public? A. 15 working days. B. 1 month. C. 7 working days. D. 1 week. Answer, A. 15 working days. 9. The Constitution defines the following as citizens of the Philippines except A. Those who are citizens of the Philippines at the time of the adoption of this Constitution or those whose fathers or mothers are citizens of the Philippines. B. Those who are naturalized in accordance with law. C. Those who were born outside the national territory of the Philippines but whose parents were born as Filipino citizens. D. Those born before January 17, 1973, of Filipino mothers, who elect Philippine citizenship upon reaching the age of majority. Answer, those who were born outside the national territory of the Philippines but whose parents were born as Filipino citizens. 10. In Article 2, the state affirms what aspect? As a primary social economic force as it protects the rights of workers and promote their welfare. A. Human rights. B. Industry. C. Labor. D. Agriculture. Answer, C. Labor. 11. Where is the legislative power vested except to the extent reserved to the people by the provision on initiative and referendum? A. Congress of the Philippines. B. Supreme Court of the Philippines. C. The electorate composed of qualified voters. D. Upper House of the Senate. Answer, A. Congress of the Philippines. 12. Which of the following will not be appropriate on the blank? Public officials and employees shall perform and discharge their duties with the highest degree of blank. A. Intelligence and skill. B. Attitude. C. Excellence. D. Professionalism. Answer, B. Attitude. 13. No educational institution shall be established exclusively for aliens and no group of aliens shall comprise more than of the enrollment in any school. A. 1/5. B. 1/2. C. 1/3. D 1/4. Answer, C 1/3. 14. What arises when a public official is an officer of a private corporation which affects his faithful performance of official duty? A. Conflict of interest. B. Redundancy. C. Double remuneration. D. Double compensation. Answer, A. Conflict of interest. 15. In Article 14, blank shall be enjoyed in all institutions of higher learning. A. Freedom of education. B. Scholarships. C. Academic freedom. D. Liberal arts. Answer, C. Academic freedom. 16. The state recognizes the vital role of the blank in nation building and shall promote and protect their physical, moral, spiritual, intellectual, and social well-being. A. Youth. B. Family. C. Government. D. Women. Answer, A. Youth. 17. The state shall pursue an independent foreign policy. In its relations with other states, the paramount consideration shall be each of the following, except A. Territorial integrity. B. Nationalized control. C. National interest and the right to self-determination. D. National sovereignty. Answer, B. Nationalized control. 18. Article 2, Section 6 states that separation of blank and state shall be inviolable. A. President. B. Church. C. Politics. D. Military. Answer, B. Church. 19. Relatives refer to all persons related to a public official to what degree of consanguinity? A. Fourth. B. Second. C. Third. D. First. Answer, A. Fourth. 20. In Article 13, what is the national language of the Philippines? A. Filipino. B. Filipino. C. Tagalog. D. English. Answer, A. Filipino. 21. According to Article 13, the state is supposed to ensure that teaching will attract and retain its rightful share of the best available talents through blank and other means of job satisfaction and fulfillment. A. Professional growth. B. Adequate remuneration. C. Continuous training. D. Stagnating salaries. Answer, B. Adequate remuneration. 22. In Section 2 of the Declaration of Principles, the Philippines renounces blank as an instrument of national policy. A. Lawlessness. B. Communism. C. Extraterritoriality. D. War. Answer, D. War. 23. The national territory of the Republic of the Philippines includes each of the following, in the territorial islands and waters, except A. The insular shelves. B. The overseas domains. C. The subsoil. D. The seabed. Answer, B. The overseas domains. 24. Family of public officials or employees include spouses and who else? A. Relatives up to the third degree of consanguinity. B. Children including those in previous marriages. C. Unmarried children under 18 years. D. Children, grandchildren, and other descendants. Answer, C. Unmarried children under 18 year. 25. Section 8 of the state policy states that the Philippines, consistent with the national interest, adopts and pursues a policy of freedom from what type of weapons in its territory? A. Weapons of mass destruction. B. Nuclear weapons. C. Biological weapons. D. Chemical weapons. Answer, B. Nuclear weapons. 26. The state shall protect and advance the right of the people to a balanced and healthful blank in accord with the rhythm and harmony of nature. A. Ecology. B. Living. C. Upbringing. D. Society. Answer, B. Living. 27. Republic Act 6713 establishes a code of conduct and ethical standards for public officials and employees. Which of the following is not included in this act and its title? A. Providing rehabilitation of unjust actions and infringements. B. Enumerating prohibited acts and transactions. C. Providing penalties for violations. D. Granting incentives and rewards for exemplary service. Answer, A. Providing rehabilitation of unjust actions and infringements. 28 Prohibitions on outside employment does not include someone who a. work for a private enterprise regulated by their office. B. recommends any person to a position to a company which has transactions with his/her office. C. hires relatives higher than the 5th degree of consanguinity or affinity. D. engages in private practice of his/her profession in conflict with official functions. Answer: C. hires relatives higher than the 5th degree of consanguinity or affinity. 29 What is the title of Article I of the 1986 Constitution? A. Transitory provisions. B. National territory. C. Preamble. D. Bill of Rights. Answer: B. National territory. 30 In Section 4, what should public officials and employees always uphold over and above personal matters? A. RA 6713. B. The Philippine flag. C. The public interest. D. The Constitution. Answer: C. The public interest. 31 In Section 21, no person shall be blank put in jeopardy of punishment for the same offense. If an act is punished by a law and an ordinance, conviction or acquittal under either shall constitute a bar to another prosecution for the same act. A. innocently. B. legally. C. inadequately. D. twice. Answer: B. Inadequately. 32 The state is supposed to enhance the right of teachers to blank. A. organize into unions and associations. B. demand a humane amount of salary. C. professional advancement. D. strike against oppressive superiors. Answer: C. professional advancement. 33 Public officials and employees should defend Philippine sovereignty against what? A. foreign intrusion. B. national and international conflicts. C. other Southeast Asian neighbors. D. influence 5 of other countries. Answer: A. foreign intrusion. 34 The Committee on Awards to Outstanding Public Officials is headed by Chairman of the Civil Service Commission and who else? A. Ombudsman. B. DILG Secretary. C. Sandiganbayan. D. Solicitor General. Answer: A. Ombudsman. 35 No involuntary servitude in any from shall exist except A. as punishment for a crime whereof the party shall be duly convicted. B. in times of national emergency. C. in cases of invasion or rebellion when the public safety requires it. D. when the writ of habeas corpus is necessitated. Answer: A. as punishment for a crime whereof the party shall be duly convicted. 36 Article V states the following as requirements for citizens to exercise suffrage except A. those not otherwise disqualified by law. B. those who are at least 18 years of age. C. those who shall have resided in the Philippines for at least 1 year and in the place wherein they propose to vote for at least 6 months immediately preceding the election. D. those who do not have pending cases involving treason against the state. Answer: those who are at least 18 years of age. 37 What do you call the transfer of title or disposal of interest in property in favor of someone not one's spouse or relative? A. endowment. B. divestment. C. inheritance. D. reparation. Answer: D. reparation. 38 The state is tasked to protect and strengthen the blank as a basic autonomous social institution. A. society. B. Filipino citizen. C. barangay. D. family. Answer: D. family. 39 Which of the following should be made accessible to the public within reasonable working hours? A. statement of accountability. B. public documents. C. appointments with public officials. D. assets and liabilities. Answer: B. public documents. 40 What should heads of agencies submit within 45 working days from the end of the year? A. contract of assets and liabilities. B. annual performance report. C. recapitulation account. D. performance rating of employees. Answer: B. annual performance report. 41 In Article Point 14, Senators and members of the House of Representatives should receive what annual salary unless they give themselves increases? A. 204,000 pesos. B. 60 million pesos. C. 600,000 pesos. D. 240,000 pesos. Answer, A. 204,000 pesos. 42. The state shall promote a just and dynamic social order that will ensure the prosperity and independence of the nation and free the people from what? A. Poverty. B. Law breaking. C. Corruption. D. Injustice. Answer, A. Poverty. 43. What do you call those who are citizens of the Philippines from birth without having to perform any act to acquire or perfect their Philippine citizenship? A. Natural-born citizens. B. Citizens of the Republic of the Philippines. C. Naturalized citizens. D. Primary citizens. Answer, A. Natural-born citizens. 44. Which of the following is not mentioned to be essential for the enjoyment by all the people of the blessings of democracy? A. Protection on life, liberty, and property. B. Promotion of the general welfare. C. Maintenance of peace and order. D. Preservation of patrimony and loyalty to flag and country. Answer, D. Preservation of patrimony and loyalty to flag and country. 45. The state recognizes the role of women in nation building, and shall ensure the blank of women and men. A. Bill of Rights. B. Inherent freedom. C. Fundamental equality. D. Safety and security. Answer, C. Fundamental equality. 46. In Article 3, Section 20, no person shall be imprisoned for blank. A. Debt or non-payment of a poll tax. B. Action stemming from his political beliefs. C. More than 25 years. D. A capital offense. Answer, A. Debt or non-payment of a poll tax. 47. Who may be required, under conditions provided by law, to render personal military or civil service. A. Male citizens 18 to 65 years old. B. All Filipinos 18 to 65 years old. C. All citizens. D. Natural-born Filipinos. Answer, A. Male citizens 18 to 65 years old. 48. Who are not mentioned as public employees in RA 6713? A. Military personnel. B. Temporary government employees. C. Agency personnel in government offices. D. Police personnel. Answer, B. Temporary government employees. 49. In Article 4, Section 4, unless by their act or omission they are deemed, under the law, to have renounced it, citizens of the Philippines who marry aliens shall A. Lose their citizenship. B. Have the choice to select which citizenship to relinquish. C. Retain their citizenship. D. Automatically adopt dual citizenship, unless contravened by laws of the country of his spouse. Answer, C. Retain their citizenship. 50. To foster patriotism and nationalism, accelerate social progress and promote total human liberation and development, the state shall give priority to each one except A. Education. B. Arts, culture, and sports. C. Labor and livelihood. D. Science and technology. Answer, C. Labor and livelihood. 51. In Article 14, the state shall protect and promote the right of all citizens to blank education at all levels and shall take appropriate steps to make such education accessible to all. A. Quality. B. Free. C. Cheap. D. Inexpensive. Answer, A. Quality. 52. Comodatum is a type of A. Loan. B. Elective office. C. Government agency. D. Code. Answer, A. Loan. 53. What government agency is tasked to adopt positive measures to promote observance of standards and continuing research and experimentation in order to raise the level of these standards? A. Office of the President. B. Civil Service Commission. C. The Office of the Ombudsman. D. Department of the Interior and Local Government. Answer, B. Civil Service Commission. 54. The Constitution expects the state to provide each of the following with training in civics, vocational efficiency, and other skills, except A. Ex-convicts. B. Out-of-school youth. C. Adult citizens. D. The disabled. Answer, A. Ex-convicts. 55. What body is mentioned as the protector of the people and the state? A. Executive government. B. Department of National Defense. C. Armed Forces of the Philippines. D. Philippine National Police. Answer, D. Philippine National Police. 56. The state shall develop a self-reliant and independent national economy effectively controlled by whom? A. Filipinos. B. Natural-born citizens. C. The government. D. Their executive branch. Answer, A. Filipinos. 57. According to Article 13, the state is supposed to assign the highest budgetary priority to A. Education. B. The pork barrel congressmen and senators. C. The office of the president. D. Foreign debt servicing. Answer, A. Education. 58. The Constitution provides what special election exercise for qualified Filipinos abroad? A. Absentee voting. B. Waiving the residency rule. C. Candidacy for offices below the senatorial level. D. Online registration. Answer, A. Absentee voting. 59. Which of the following is among the official languages of the Philippines? A. English. B. Arabic. C. Tagalog. D. Spanish. Answer, A. English. 60. Public officials and employees shall provide service to everyone without unfair discrimination and regardless of what? A. Length of service. B. Party affiliation. C. Public office. D. Religion. Answer, B. Party affiliation. Thank you. Margot Civil Service Reviewer.